Hello friends, in this video I show you if your card lost or damaged. So friends, you no need going to bank. If you have nearby any VTM machine, just you get there your bank card. So Visa card, Mastercard, you can get use a VTM machine. Okay, let's see friends. So this is friends have a VTM machine. So this one have near my place. So when you start friends, just simply touch here your finger, click here. After friends you click here, I do not have my card with me. So here friends you see you can use Singapore IC, Malaysian IC or passport. So I use passport, so I click here passport. So first friends you need your ID scan and click here scan now. So friends, when scan passport, so you see here this will connect you with our officer. Would you like to proceed? So friends, after click here, so you see here writing 1 moment please, we are connecting you. Who will assist you via the screen above? So just waiting. If no connect friends, just you wait. So our officer are engaged at the moment, so you like to continue wait. So just simply friends click yes. So friends, call connect ready. So I cannot show you this all conversation. Customer care officer just ask you your all detail. Then the customer care officer gives you instruction. So all instruction you follow. Here I cannot show you this all thing. So you listen customer care officer carefully and all follow his instruction. So now everything okay ready. So here have a three card friends. So select card first and click here friends. So this 3 card, any card I can choose. Click here. So here have all your details, your name, your bank account, your address, and just simply click here friends. And here you fill up OTP, which number you add your bank account. Click here. So you receive one OTP. So that OTP you writing here friends. So I received already OTP. So now this OTP I receive in my phone. So I writing here that one OTP. And click here. So you see here, please enter your PIN number. You here can choose your PIN number friends. New PIN number you can choose, any PIN number you can choose. So one time when you're writing ready, then automatically have here option to confirm. Please again confirm same PIN number. So you see here, please wait. Your new card being printed. So everything done ready. So I received ready my new card. After you see here writing, would you like to proceed other service? So just simply click to no. So I show you and how to take out card I show you ready. So it's very simple or easy, you can get your card if damaged, lost. So if you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.